What's up guys? Welcome to the channel and welcome to the first random care package review. If you're somebody that's tracking the latest trends or getting ads from your stories from all these different Shopify brands and e-commerce brands and don't know where to pick, this video is for you. We're gonna be unboxing and unpackaging brands that reach out to us and want us to show you guys what they think is popular so we can give them the feedback they want and you guys can get the discounts you want down in the description if you like any of this merch. So the brand we have today is DRACO Slides. This is an overseas brand that specializes in slides. I think they also make other streetwear like t-shirts, socks, things like that. You'll see when we unbox these, this isn't your typical slide. This is one you can wear with more fits than usual. So here's the first look out the dust bag. This is the black version. You can immediately tell that this isn't just your casual slide. There's a lot of bells and whistles to these. Velcro, straps, clips. I have a couple slides I'll be referencing. Obviously, very popular. The Yeezy slide, super comfortable. Arguably the most popular slide out right now. The other shoe I'll be comparing to, not these specifically. Crocs are also very popular and are super comfortable. So we'll see how these DRACO slides hold up to Crocs and Yeezy slides. So there's three things I look at personally when I get a shoe, and we'll use that to break down these DRACO slides. Number one is wearability. Whether it's a shoe or a slide, how easy is it gonna be to wear out of the house? Now, typically slides don't have to be that wearable because you're wearing them before a sports match, or you're wearing them around the house, or you're wearing them in the backyard. But like I said earlier, these aren't your Yeezy slides or your Crocs you wear around the house. These are actually the type of slides slash sandals that you would wear outside with jeans on, or even with some shorts and the right color socks. You could wear these around the house, but in my opinion, I would wear these out. So for wearability, I'm giving these a solid 8 to 9 out of 10. And that's surprising because in my whole entire sneaker collection, I don't even have one pair of black shoes. So DRACO gave me my first pair of black shoes and we'll see if I can put it together. The second thing I look at on a shoe is gonna be the comfortability of the shoe. I would be lying if I were to tell you guys this shoe is super comfortable only because I just got it. So yes, I tried it on and I stepped in it a few times, but you know, if you're a real sneakerhead, you know that you don't know if a shoe is comfortable until you've worn it for, you know, probably 7 to 10 hours plus. You gotta wear it for a full day, see how your toe feels at the end of the day and make the decision then. I would say it's gonna be very hard to compete with the Yeezy because the Yeezy's fully rubber. Obviously this shoe is not, but when I did try the shoe on, one positive that I could say did feel good about the shoe was whatever material they used on the insole of the shoe, it felt very soft, almost like silky. So I don't know if that will last or if that's only gonna be able to be felt the first few times that the shoe's worn. Maybe I'll drop an Instagram story or something later following up on 1 to 10 how comfortable these shoes are, but from the feel of them and the make, they feel like they're gonna be pretty comfortable. The third thing I look at in shoes for me specifically is gonna be the quality and the details. The first thing that stood out to me about this shoe was the details because I've seen a lot of sandals that have the Velcros and the straps, but I really like the way they did this. If you can see, it's not just 2 straps. You know, the straps are woven, the straps are going over each other, the straps are stitched to the shoe, and then under that is another layer that's Velcro together. For the details, I'm a fan of the paisley. I like the straps. They tighten, they loosen, and then the Velcro also allows you to kind of control the breathing of the shoe. I think we've all felt cheap shoes before, like the ones you find at 5 and below. You know, they've been different and they definitely don't have the details and the type of stitching that this shoe has. So I would definitely say that the quality is there as well. When it comes to quality and details, I'll probably give this a 7 out of 10. So in conclusion, these do get the check in my book. Let me know what you guys think, but I will be putting these on this winter and definitely 2024 in the summertime. So shout out to DRACO Slides. Thank you guys so much for giving me my first black pair of shoes in my collection. Let's just see if I can put it together with something. And make sure if you like this random care package review, you subscribe so we know to make more videos just like this one.